Today on this episode of Corolla Customs, we're gonna be fixing the Avalanche. Alrighty guys, so here's the chance. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fix these brake lines on the Avalanche. So here with me, I have the entire box of the pre-bent lines. And I went to Harbor Freight, hold on. And got myself some metric and standard line wrenches. So we're gonna do this and we're gonna get this running today. I think the difficulty, it might be a little difficult, but I'm not gonna give up. So this box of brake lines is from 1aauto.com. So what I'm gonna do first is jack the vehicle up just to try to get to the ABS box underneath the truck. That's the transfer case. Where's this ABS box? With all the lines. That's the box. So we have the transmission. Look for the transfer case, which is over here. And then directly near the transfer case is the box with all the lines. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So we're gonna do this one at a time. So I'm gonna start off with this one. First I'm gonna spray them with PV Blaster so it can get penetrated. This will be very difficult to film, but hopefully you guys can see. Alright, so now that we lubed it and waiting for it to do something, let's take our time and trace these lines. So all we have to do is just follow the line from the box to where they're going. So to get easier access to one of the brake lines that I followed, I'm gonna remove the wheel, which I already did, and now I'm going to remove this plastic fender piece so I can get to the lines right over here. So keep following. My boy Steven came to help. BJJX Film, son. You know what it is.
Oh, there it is.
You guys don't know what BJJX Films is? Look it up on YouTube, you'll see. The #1, 5 million subscriber. Jiu-Jitsu fanatic. He also does Jiu-Jitsu, world champ. And these are the brake lines. They came in that big box. Steven got a breakthrough.
Alright, you can put it to the other side. See?
Alright. Cool, son. So we kind of snaked one of them through. So now I have to get this into this valve all the way. If you guys can see it, this valve right here. This thing right here. Okay guys, I finally fit one in. I have a good few more to go. This is actually kind of difficult to do on your own. If you have 2 people with you, it's a little bit easier because you can snake in and kind of twist turn the lines until you get it the way you want it. Is it that hard? No, if you have 2 people. And you don't have to lift the body off the frame so far, as much as I know, because I'm actually doing it, so it looks like it's working pretty well. So this is the second one going to the proportioning valve. So I'm just snaking it through and just turning it like that. That's it. Just kind of like wiggling it in, giving it a little turn, and then a wiggle. Oh my god. Finally, after a long battle and a tough fight, we finally overcome the pain of busted knuckles and tighten our brake line to the brake hose. Thanks for watching part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. The brake lines will be completed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram at Corolla Customs.